Good evening, everyone. Welcome back with the additional with extra puzzles in today's newspaper on Friday. Yes, Friday, January the 26th, 2024. We have here 7 extra puzzles. The letter Sudoku, 2 stars, 3 stars, 4 stars Sudoku, 2 jigsaw Sudokus, 1 with 4 stars. 1 with 1 star, and the last puzzle is the binary puzzle. And these puzzles I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. I won't do them all, only 4 of them I will solve. Why? Well, it's too much for me, time consuming, and I need the same time for uploading it to YouTube. Yeah, otherwise it will be a day job for me. The first one, the 3 Stars Sudoku. Number 7877. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 29 printed digits. That's a lot, 29. Usually, the 3 stars puzzle has 25. But lately, the publisher has, printed all the easy puzzles with 3 stars. I do not know why. Wrong indication. Totally. So, anyway, for a 3 stars puzzle, I need 20 to 30 minutes. But with 29, could be a 0 stars. 0 stars puzzle, I need 40 or 30 minutes. Question is this a 0 stars or a 3 stars puzzle? We will see. So let's get started. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 2 and the 5. We have 2 and a 5 in this column. Middle column, so no 2 and a 5 in these 2 boxes. 2 and a 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. The 6 is missing, 1 and 6, 1 and 6. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. Then 4 missing numbers in this row. Wait. We have 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 5. Oh, no. 5, 3, 1, 6. No, I need to wait. 4 missing numbers in this row. 2 of those missing numbers are the 6 and the 4. We have a 6 and a 4 in this big square, so no 6 and a 4 in these 2 boxes. 6 and a 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 6 and a 4, 6 and a 4. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 6 goes there. So 2 numbers left in this row. 4 numbers, the 1, 2, 3, the 4. 5 is missing. The 6 and 7 is missing. 7 and 5, 7 and 5. We have a 7 in this column. No 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 5 goes there. Can I do this the other side? No. How about 3 missing numbers in this big square. 1 of the missing number is a 1. We have 1 in this column, so no 1 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 1 in this big square. Should be there. 1. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, 1, 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and 8 goes there. 8 in this row, 8 in the row below. So last row, the only place left for the 8 should be there. 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be there. The 8 in this row, the 8 in that row, so the row between the middle row, the only 3 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 in the column next, no 8 there. The only place left for the 8 should be there. 8 in this row, 8 in the third row, so the row between the second row, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in the third column, no 8 there. 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 8. Then how about these 3 missing numbers? In this big square, those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. Well, we have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 in that column, no 4 there. The only place left for the 4 should be there. So, and the 5 is missing, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 5 and a 9, 5 and 9. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 2 and a 5, we have a 5 now in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, 2 goes there. 1 box left in this column for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this column for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing, and the 3 is missing. 2 and the 3, 2 and 3. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Then, let me think. Need a 7 here. Alright. Need a 4 here. 4 in the last column. 4 in the column next. So that column, the only 2 places left for 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in this row. No 4 there. 4 should be there. Alright. Need a 7 here. 4, 3. Yeah. 7. 3, 4. Come on. 3, 3. 3 and 4. Well, we have a pair in this big square. 3 and 4 in the third row. 3 and 4 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 3 places left for 3 and 4 goes in these 3 boxes. 3 and 4, 3 and 4, 3 and 4. And look, we have 3 and 4 in the second column. So no 3 and 4 in this box. 3 and 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. Okay. Nine in this row. 9 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only place left for the 9 should be there. So the 1 and the 6 are left in this row. We have a 1 in the third column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 6 goes there. So 1 is left in this big square for number 6. And we have pair the 7 and 6 in the first row, the 7 and 6 in the second row. The third row, the only 2 places left for the 7 and 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. The other pair in this big square are the numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, 3, 4. 5 is missing, 1 and 5, 1 and a 5. That means 1 digit left in the first row for numbers. The 1, 2 is missing. Yeah, 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, and 4, and the 5 is missing. 1 and 5, 1 and 5. We have a 5 in the second column. No 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 1 goes there. 5 in the first column. 5 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in the middle row, so no 5 there. 5 should be there. Well, wait. 2 numbers left, the 3 and the 4. I see 3 and the 4. We have a 4 in the middle row, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 3 goes there. So 1 is left in this big square for number 3. 2 missing numbers in the second column for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 6 and the 9. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Okay, so the 2 in this row, 2 in that row. So the row between middle row, the only place left for the 2 should be there. So the other pair in this big square are the numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. 4 and a 7, 4 and a 7. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. For the 1, the 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing. 8, 9 is missing. 7, 9, 7, 9. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and then 9 goes there. So 2 numbers left in this row. 4 numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4 and the 5 is missing. 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. We have a 3 in the last column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 1 and a 5, we have a 5 now in the last column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 5 in this column, 5 in the last column. So the column between, the only place left of 5 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this row. 4 numbers, 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 1 and a 7, 1 and a 7. We have a 1 in the last column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8. 9 is missing, 3 and a 9, 3 and 9. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 3 goes there. So we have a 9 in this last column, 9 in that column. So the column between, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 7 and 6, we have a 6 now in this column. No 6 there. 6 should be here. 7 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square. For the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing, and the 7 is missing. 6 and a 7, 6 and 7. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Final 2 numbers, 6 and a 9. We have a 6 now in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Finished in 11 minutes. Well, don't believe this is a 3 stars. Should be a 0 stars. We solve it again, and I like this one, yes, I really do. Think so, thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with other 3 puzzles. Until then, bye bye for now.